Hi guys, welcome to Ghananie Photography. My name is Don Alabi, and this new year I have this series. It's budgetography, where we'll be using relatively cheap stuff to create awesome pictures. It doesn't really matter what you have. You know, the best is what you have in your hands. So we use this is my Nikon D3200 with a 50mm. And then a Godox Ving 860 Mark II. We have a simple one light setup which these guys are holding. Just a trigger, 50mm D3200, and then a speed light with the 80cm Octabox. But let me just tell you something small about today's shoot. It's just a one light setup for a simple portrait. So without much ado, let's have our model. Yeah. What's your name again? Can you hear her?
I'm Jane.
Oh, so she's Jane and I'm Don Alabi. So Charlie, just relax, grab some popcorn popcorn and Coke, and then enjoy the show. Alright, so as I said, we are using this 80cm Octabox umbrella, which is very cheap. Every photographer I know has this. This is what I used when I started about 3 years ago. It's very cheap, you can get it off anywhere. So this is the speed light. Because it's an umbrella softbox, we are going to use the S-type brackets to hold the flash. So that's exactly what's doing. Then as you can see, the light hits the reflective surface and then comes back, and this diffuses it, so it gives you a soft light. Awesome. We have our model here, Jane, who is ready, and I'm also ready, so let's kick off. Now, the settings we are using here, I have a shutter speed 1/160th, f-stop 7.1, and then the ISO 200. So with that, let's take some few shots and then see what we get. Don't worry, you don't necessarily have to go. Okay, good. Okay, so we have an image which is well exposed. Now, from experience, that's how come I've been able to place the softbox in a way that I'm able to get correct lighting with my first attempt. So now let's go through this so that I'll show you how we got this. The main thing with lighting is the quality and then the placement. If you can see, I don't know how measurement is, but from where she is, if I stretch my arm, this is I think 1 yard. So from where she is to the level of the light, it's 1 yard away from the light. And also, if you can see, I haven't placed the light directly on her like this. I haven't done this because if I do this, then I'll be throwing some light on the backdrop. I want the backdrop to remain dark, but my subject well lit. That's how come I've feathered the light this way. So if you look at it, the light is going this way. Most people will tell you, well, the light isn't on the subject. How will she get it? Now this is the light bounces all around. So the edges, especially this place, is what is lighting here. So let's take another shot. So it's and voila. So you guys can see on the screen what we are getting so far. So this already is good, but I can see that I'm getting some hotspots on her face, so I'll have to feather the light a bit. So you see, I've moved it further away from here. Let's take another shot. See what we have. See, and so far, so good. We're getting good light. But then, as you can see, right side, that's my left, it's a bit underexposed. So I'm going to introduce a reflector to bounce back some of the light onto her right side. Now you guys just forget the blue side. So this, those outside Ghana we say phone call, but since we don't have, it's difficult coming by phone calls here. I have this, it's like phone, just like phone call, but it's a bit thick. So I just place it here. It bounces the light, because it's white, it bounces the light and then fills in this side. Let's take a shot. Awesome. So if you look at before and after, you realize now we have enough light on both sides of it. With just this simple setup, a softbox, very, very cheap. This, I'm using this because that's what I have. You can use a reflector. This is one reflector. This is 5-in-1. It folds up like this and then goes into a case. You can carry it anywhere you want, but because I have this whiteboard, that's why I decided to use it. And also this helps if you're taking a full body shot, so it bounces light. We'll have Janet standing, so we take something like a full shot, so you guys see. Awesome! Well lit. Let's take another one. I like your pose. Lovely. This is cool. Let's go. Let's keep it up. Keep changing your style. Yeah. What are you looking for now? So you see, we are keeping the background dark and then getting our subject well lit. That's the essence of not having the light directly on the subject. If we were using white or we wanted this black to become grey, then we can have half of the light on the background. So that way you're lighting both the subject and then the background with just one light. And then, lovely. Awesome. Yeah, so keep it. I want to give you a back, no problem. Give any pose you want at all. Alright, so guys, as let's just go over what we just did. So we used the Nikon D3200, the 50mm, and then just the Godox Speed light, which I believe every beginner can afford. This is just a basic setup, but amazing results. So as you can see from the pictures, see, I didn't lie. You can use basic stuff to get awesome pictures. So once again, thanks to our model of the day, Jane, and I hope this has been informative for you. And I'd like to thank you for watching.